And once you get it on, you're going to reattach the hose that you took from the from here. You're going to reattach it to the 3-piece. Okay, once you do that, the water's still off. Then you're going to take the hose. The hose comes disassembled. It's not on here. So you want to take all the plastic off of this part, the plastic off of the back, and attach the sprayer on. Once you get the sprayer on, then you take it and you're going to attach it to the other side. It's on the side. Now make sure everything's tight and on. This is to turn the sprayer on and off. So once you feel comfortable with everything tightened, then you want to turn the water supply back on. So counterclockwise. I did a little test run and just turned the water a little bit just in case nothing. Make sure everything was tight and not loose. And my sprayer is working. So that's what you hear right now. You hear the water is on. So we're going to go ahead and give y'all a little example. It's off. So I'm going to flip it on. And there's your sprayer. I'm going to turn it off with every use because I have children, even though we have a gate. So they can't really come in here and mess around. It's just in case. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.